You've been trying to be productive. You've been trying to build something. You've been trying to level up your life, but something keeps pulling you back. Something keeps draining your energy before your day even begins, and nobody talks about it because it's uncomfortable, because society made it feel normal. But let me tell you something. It is not normal to feel mentally foggy every single day. It is not normal to lack motivation. It is not normal to feel like you have zero drive to build the life you deserve. Today, I'm going to give you 5 common habits that are quietly sexualizing your mind and destroying your brain health, your focus, and your energy. And more importantly, I'm going to show you exactly how to desexualize your mind so you can think clearly, work powerfully, and become the person you were always meant to be. Stay with me. This video could change everything. Welcome back to Shadow Mastery, the channel where we don't sugarcoat reality. We talk about what actually holds men and women back from their full potential. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now, because everything we talk about on this channel is designed to rewire your mindset and build real, lasting discipline. Now, let's get into it. What does it mean to desexualize your mind? It means taking back control. When your mind is oversexualized, whether from pornography, constant sexual fantasy, social media, or entertainment, your brain becomes wired for instant gratification. And here's what science tells us. The same dopamine system that drives sexual arousal also drives ambition, creativity, and motivation. When you constantly flood that system with cheap, easy stimulation, you burn it out. Your brain gets lazy. Your focus disappears. Your drive to build, create, and achieve evaporates. But when you desexualize your mind, when you redirect that energy, something incredible happens. That same force becomes rocket fuel for your goals. Let's talk about the 5 most common things that are doing this to you and how to fix them. Habit number 1, pornography consumption. Let's start with the most obvious one, and the one most people refuse to admit. Pornography is the single greatest hijacker of masculine and feminine energy in the modern world. Studies from Cambridge University and the Max Planck Institute found that regular pornography consumption literally reshapes the reward circuitry of the brain the same way drug addiction does. Your brain stops responding to real-life rewards. Real relationships feel boring. Real work feels pointless. Real goals feel impossible to pursue. Why? Because your brain has been trained to expect extreme stimulation for zero effort. And here's the dangerous part. Most people don't even realize it's happening. They think they're fine. They watch it. They go to work. They go through the day. But they wonder why they feel empty. Why they can't focus for more than 10 minutes. Why nothing excites them anymore. The fix. Start with awareness. Acknowledge the habit exists. Then implement a dopamine fast to 30 days without pornography. Within 2 weeks, most people report sharper mental clarity, increased confidence, stronger motivation, more energy in the morning. This is not about shame. This is about reclaiming your brain. Habit number 2, endless sexual fantasy. Here's one that most people don't talk about. It's not just the videos, it's the thoughts. Constant sexual fantasy, spending hours a day, mentally lost in fantasies, instead of focused on your work, has the same effect on your brain as consuming content. Every time you indulge in fantasy, your brain releases dopamine. Every time. No effort required. And the more you do it, the more your brain demands it. This is what psychologists call mental escapism, and it is silently destroying your productivity. Think about your most successful days. Were you lost in fantasy? Or were you locked in, completely present, completely focused? The greatest achievers in history, artists, entrepreneurs, warriors understood one concept: transmutation, taking sexual energy and redirecting it into creative and productive work. Napoleon Hill wrote about it in Think and Grow Rich over 80 years ago. Athletes call it channeling competitive fire. Monks call it spiritual discipline. The fix: when a fantasy enters your mind, don't fight it, redirect it. Take that energy and immediately shift to a physical action. Exercise, writing, cold water, deep breathing. Train your mind to associate that surge of energy with creation, not consumption. Habit number 3, sexualize social media consumption. Open Instagram, open TikTok, open Twitter. Within 30 seconds, what do you see? Highly curated, heavily filtered, often sexualized images of other human beings. And your brain, which evolved over thousands of years to respond strongly to sexual stimuli, lights up. Every scroll, every swipe, every like. This is called passive sexual stimulation, and it is far more dangerous than people think because it feels harmless. You're not watching pornography, you're just scrolling. But your dopamine system doesn't know the difference. Every dopamine hit from that scroll makes real work feel less rewarding. Every minute you spend in that digital world makes the real world feel less exciting. Research from the University of Pennsylvania showed that just 1 week of reduced social media use significantly decreased anxiety, depression, and loneliness, and increased focus and life satisfaction. The fix: unfollow accounts that trigger compulsive scrolling. Set a timer, maximum 20 minutes of social media per day. Replace the first 30 minutes of your morning with something that builds your mind: reading, journaling, exercise. Guard the first hour of your day like your life depends on it, because your mental health does. Habit number 4: hypersexualized entertainment and music. What are you watching at night? What music are you listening to while you work? What shows are you binging on weekends? Be honest, because the content you consume becomes the lens through which you see the world. When you constantly consume entertainment that glorifies meaningless sex, objectification, and instant gratification, your values begin to shift without you realizing it. You start to see other people as objects. You start to measure your life in cheap pleasures. You start to lose the long-term vision that every successful person must have. The Roman philosopher Seneca said it over 2,000 years ago. Show me who you spend time with, and I will show you who you will become. Today, that applies to what you watch and listen to, just as much as who you hang around. Your brain is a sponge. It absorbs everything. The fix: audit your content diet. Seriously. For 1 week, track everything you watch and listen to. Then ask yourself, does this make me sharper? Does this make me stronger? Does this push me forward? Replace 1 hour of meaningless entertainment with documentaries, podcasts, or books by people who built something real. Your inputs determine your outputs, every single time. Habit number 5: neglecting your body, low testosterone, and poor health habits. Here's the truth that nobody in the mainstream will tell you. When your body is unhealthy, your mind becomes hypersexualized almost automatically. Why? Because low testosterone, poor sleep, and bad nutrition all disrupt your brain chemistry. Your cortisol, the stress hormone, shoots up. Your dopamine system becomes your brain starts craving any form of cheap stimulation to cope. This is why men and women who don't exercise, who eat processed food, who sleep 5 hours a night, are far more likely to struggle with compulsive sexual thoughts and behavior. The brain is looking for a chemical escape. But here's the flip side. When you optimize your body, when you exercise consistently, sleep 7 to 8 hours, eat clean food, drink enough water, your brain chemistry stabilizes. Your testosterone rises. Your cortisol drops. Your dopamine system resets. Suddenly, you don't need cheap stimulation anymore. You have natural energy, natural confidence, natural drive. The fix: build what I call the power foundation. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Non-negotiable. Exercise at least 4 days a week. Weights, cardio, or both. Cut processed sugar and seed oils from your diet. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Get morning sunlight for 10 minutes every day. This isn't complicated. It's just disciplined. And discipline is the highest form of self. Let's bring it all together. The 5 common habits that oversexualize your mind and destroy your brain health. Number 1, pornography consumption. It rewires your reward system and kills your drive. Number 2, constant sexual fantasy. It drains your creative energy and destroys your focus. Number 3, hypersexualized social media. It floods your dopamine system with cheap stimulation. Number 4, sexualized entertainment and music. It reshapes your values and shortens your vision. Number 5, neglecting your body. It dysregulates your brain chemistry and creates compulsive behavior. And the antidote to all 5: mastery. Mastery over your mind. Mastery over your habits. Mastery over your attention. That's what shadow mastery is all about. I want to ask you something right now. How much of your life have you already lost to these 5 habits? How many mornings have you woken up feeling foggy, unmotivated, disconnected from your purpose? That ends today. If you choose, because the brain is it changes, it rewires, it heals. Every single day you choose discipline over distraction. You are literally rebuilding your brain. You are becoming someone new, and the world needs that version of you. So here's your challenge for the next 30 days. Pick one habit from this list, just one, and commit to eliminating it for 30 days. Track what happens to your energy, your focus, your confidence, your relationships. I guarantee you will not recognize yourself. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up right now. It takes 2 seconds and it helps this message reach more people who need it. Drop a comment below. Tell me which of these 5 habits you're working on. I read every single comment. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that button and the bell notification. We drop new content every week designed to help you master your mind and build the life you deserve. This is Shadow Mastery, and your transformation starts now.